Tabik Pun, Tabik Pun. Hi from the Lampung people in Indonesia. Thousands of islands there. Tabik Pun. Yep. Coming into stillness, centering, pausing. Opening the sense doors wherever you are. Being together in this mystery, this beautiful mystery. So there's an incredible amount of emphasis on individual freedom and spiritual development, especially in the U.S. And I'm in favor of that. But the interesting thing is that we only can really find ourselves in community with other people and community with the land. So again, the idea is to take this intense focus off of me, and put it into giving thanks for everything that we've been given. And there's just so much. And it's not that we don't have upsets and issues and things, and we may go to other people, individual healers. Yeah, that's good. That's necessary. That's important. But this is about this horizontal plane where the sun rises and sun sets, where we're together with the whole web of life, all our relations. And I'm very emphatic about that because until we get that, we're lost. And so I invite you, wherever you are, to build earth-honoring community. There's so many different ways to go about it. I think maybe the absolute first starting place is coming together to explore and meet all these non-human relatives, really getting to know the trees, the rivers, the mountains, the birds, connecting and bonding with other humans on how much we love nature, and then using that as a doorway to intimacy, for trust and connection, which certainly needs to be built, and we do it in a gradual manner. But I really want to invite you to think about who are your people, who's close to you, who can I get together with to, and I'm talking physical earth here, not Zoom, not social media. I mean flesh and blood, amphibians and fish and stars. There's just so much. And learning how to receive all the love that nature is pouring out. Receiving that love together with our fellow humans. Finding our way back. So taking another sacred pausing breath with me, and another, a healing breath, because the air is, let's say, our most immediate felt connection with the with the life-giving energy of the universe. Yeah, so you can tell I'm making a big I'm lobbying for local nature-based community wherever you are, even if it just starts with 2 or 3 people. Tell each other how much you love this life-giving place